Hey, it's your girl Tanya Weeder, ZCMG Creative. Hope all is well. Welcome to our Download Boutique and welcome to this opportunity that is a flash sale for this weekend. Yes, those who move quick, they get rewarded quickly. So here, let me cut to the chase. How are you doing, first of all? How are you doing? How's business going or not? How are you doing? This is the first time in my lifetime where I'm from Brooklyn. So, not this newfangled cafe au lait Brooklyn. I'm talking about hit you in the face Brooklyn and pray for you later. So, this is the first time in my life where folks have literally been asking, how are you doing? And waiting for an answer. So I want to let you know that if business is not going the way you want it to, or your brand is not jumping off the way you want it to, that there's still time for you to do that. It would behoove you to start sooner rather than later, but it is what it is. And why do I say sooner? Because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll begin to see the importance of what actually taking action is that is relevant, and actually working in that to develop your process. And so that's one of the reasons why we have this offer for you today, the importance of social media for your brand and your business. Media is plural, so you don't have to, spend hundreds of thousands of dollars for an ad on television when you can do it for pennies on the dollar on certain platforms online. And that's really what the basis of this presentation is about. And what we've attached to that is 3 opportunities for you to sit down with myself and my team so that we can quarterback a plan for your business, not only for you to be able to do this, but for you to bring in revenue that is predictable and something that you can actually plan for with your audience and with whether they be on or offline. So I wanted to tell you that, this is a flash sale. It is an opportunity because when we first started this, it was part of a free workshop. Actually, I did it for free. But the folks who, participated in it, they got this 100% free. That's not this. Okay, there's so much more information that you're garnering here. First of all, you can download this, you can use it, you can start it, you can take notes, you can implement now, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Then what's attached to it is you're going to get a checklist on how you can begin to move the crowd. We're going to show you how to get the crowds, but then we want you to know what to do with them when you actually get them, right? So it's not always about sales, it's about service. And if you can get your message across to social media or across social media and media as well, then you will be cooking with gas sooner rather than later. Even at this crazy economic tsunami that's going on right now, people are still spending money. And if they're not, you need to go to Amazon and you need to watch how many people have actually ordered today. All right. And there's no reason why your business or your brand can't be doing the same thing. Absolutely none. And if you think that there is, then you need this a little bit more than you think you do. So you need to hit that buy button immediately, if not sooner. You're getting 70% off. And that's probably the lowest it's going to be for the next couple of weeks, because as folks begin to realize that things are not going back to the way that they used to be, they are going to have, we're going to be in demand. So at the end of the day, you want to take advantage of this, because this is not, a fear of missing out thing, because some things don't change. There are still only 24 hours to a day, and we work around here. So at the end of the day, we can only supply you with the time that we have allotted each and every day to speak with different businesses and brands like yours. So we want to be able to speak to you, not once, not twice, but 3 times in the foreseeable future over the next 30 days. We want to be able to benchmark with you and see where we need to make the difference in your business. There are some of you who are sitting on top of products, sitting on top of things that you have right now on your desktop that you can be selling, that you can be giving to your clients and customers, right? So we want to talk to you about that as well. So again, I don't want to prolong this, but I do want to tell you that I bless your business right where it is. I hope that you have the mindset, the fortitude, and the wisdom to make this wise decision to come on board with us. And also what we're going to add on to this is a Facebook community for all of those who book an appointment with me. Okay. So It's up to you. Now you have permission to launch that business. Don't just launch that business, but launch it with the power and the promise and the call that you have to be a success. Talk to you soon. Be well. Stay safe. God bless.